I was scared. I didn't know what was gonna happen. When they told us that I had osteosarcoma and that I had to get treatment.
Something was sort of like caught in the side of a scan that looked a little shady.
I went for an MRI and the results came back and all hell broke loose.
My passion is soccer. That's the dream I had. It kept getting worse, kept getting bigger, so I couldn't move. I was pretty scared.
When you become a cancer patient, you care about that the doctor has the ability to save your life.
There's only about 10,000 sarcomas in this country a year, as compared with hundreds of thousands of carcinomas, things like breast cancer and prostate cancer. This is a devastating diagnosis.
One of the most difficult questions that we often get asked when patients are diagnosed with a malignant entity is, will I recover from this?
In the past 3 decades, in osteosarcoma, for example, we haven't made any substantial progress yet.
Because of the rarity of the disease, the funding can be very hard to come by.
Research is the only answer we can have for this type of disease.
Look at someone and say that I have nothing else to offer. That's probably the hardest thing to do, both as a physician as well as a parent.
At Montefiore, we've built a very robust program. We have really dedicated personnel, from clinicians to research personnel.
First thing I want to do is help them. How can I help you? That is what I ask myself every time before I go in to see a patient.
Our research efforts have grown tremendously over the past few years.
Montefiore Hospital were able to render me now cancer-free.
I don't want kids going through what I had to go through. And I don't want the parents to go through what my parents went through.
Now I'm here, walking now. I'm running, but not much as I used to, but I'm making progress.
I felt like I could trust them, which was big. I just felt more comfortable. So it was sort of like less stressful going into the surgery and less stressful in the aftermath.
The funding that they need to continue to do this work is paramount.
Never give up. Persevere. You will win this. Because you're not the victim, you're a victor.